Hello guys, this is Accelerator from Server 2 and this is my mini account. I will show you how to get a good stats of artifact like this. As you can see, the attribute of my Alex is Iron Fist. Right here, Iron Fist. And the main stats is physical attack. And the 4 remaining stats is magical attack bonus, accuracy, and critical rate. I will change that. First, I will remove the artifact of Alex. Then I will reborn it. Then let's see what's the result. Oh, it's magic attack and accuracy. It changed, right? I'll back it again. I will not input the other one. Maybe later after I get the result that I want. Okay. I think this is not better. I will reborn it again. Before you doing this, make sure you have enough alchemy stone. You can buy it in the free shop here in the bottom. Here, you can buy it here. Same process until I get what I want. What the result that I want. Oh, okay. As you can see, the main attribute is Iron Fist and the main stats is physical attack. This is not changed every reborn. This is permanent. The only change is the second, third, fourth, fifth stats. That's the only one that can change after reborn. Okay. Upgrade it again. Upgrade. Okay, let's see. Okay, magical attack bonus. Oh, okay. I will reborn it again because I'm not satisfied to the result. Okay. See what the result? Accuracy, physical defense. Let's see what happened. Oh, I'm not satisfied. Okay, I will reborn it again. Oh, I don't have enough alchemy stone, so I will buy alchemy stone. Maybe 13 pieces. Okay. I will reborn it again. Reborn. Okay, then I will check. Oh, again, it's bad stats. I think I need to reborn it again because I have a bad stats. Oh, dodge rate. Second stats is dodge rate. Oh, I don't like it. I will reborn it again. Until I get what I want. Oh, not enough alchemy stone. Okay. I'll buy again. Maybe I will buy I will reborn it again. Then let's see the result or resilience rate. Okay, let's see. Physical defense. Second stat physical defense. Maybe I will reborn it again. I need physical attack. Additional physical attack. Okay. Let's see what's the result. Silence. Silence, accuracy. Nope. Don't like it. I will reborn it again. Okay, I will reborn it again. I will reborn. Yes, I get now the physical attack. As you can see, I get the physical attack. Additional physical attack. Yes, so now I'm satisfied to the result that I want. Okay, then I will add this one. As you can see, I have 2 physical attack. That's how you can change your stats of your artifact using alchemy stone and reborn tactics. Here. Thank you for watching, guys. If this videos was help you, please subscribe. Thank you.